Today we will make another simple like and subscribe button for YouTube video. First I will show you how it looks like. So this is how it will look like. First you will open a blank slide and format a background. So right mouse click on the white space, go to format background and choose a green color for the green screen option. Now we will require a few things. First I've taken a like button and a bell icon. Both of them are taken from Flipart, which are free and no copyright. First, then I will go back to my main slide, which is the green one. Go to insert and then click on shapes and choose a rounded rectangle. Draw it in the center of my screen and then I will go to format and make it shape fill will be white and shape outline will also be white. Now I will choose the like button, so I will cut and paste. The like button is ready. Then I will go back and choose my bell icon, cut and paste. Then I will go to insert, text box, click on the green screen and choose your preferred size and everything, whatever you want, and bold and font. Subscribed. Write the word subscribed. I would like to change the color of this, so I will select it and choose the red color. And I will drag it and bring it down to the white space on the white rounded rectangle. Now we will require some lines. So I will go to insert, go to shapes and choose the simple line option and draw a few lines. Then I will shape outline and go to weight and make it a bit thick. Shape outline will be maroon, whatever color you want. And if you want, you can give it a glowing option. So in mine, I will give it a glow option. I go to shape effects, glow, and give it a maroon color. Now since the maroon is becoming very dark, so I will make it a little light, so I will choose the red color. Now I will require a few more lines, so I am going to copy and paste them. I will paste them a multiple number of times, so that once and for all they will be done. So I will paste them 7 times. And I will place them around the word subscribed. We will just place them now, then later on we can rotate them. So one by one we will select the lines and then go to format and click on rotate. First one I will flip horizontal. Little adjustments you will have to do with the lines to make sure they are in proper order. Then I will choose the second one and just drag the top point so that the line becomes straight. Then I will choose the exactly the one which is below that and again drag the points and make it a straight line. Then I will choose the one under the D and that will remain same, that we will not change. I will choose the one above that and flip vertical. I will bring it in a little positioning we have to do, and now I will choose the side ones and drag the end point and make it a straight line. Similarly, the other line and make it a straight line. This line I will make it a bit long. Now what we will do is, now in the animation pane you can see there are already two animations given. I will remove that so that I can show you how to give the animations. First we will click on the line button and then go to animations. Click animation pane, add animation, whatever animation you give. I will give the swivel animation, and then right mouse click, start with previous, and right mouse click and go to timing. Make it 1 second fast and repeat it 2 times. Okay. Now I will, holding the control button on my keyboard, I will click on the first 3 lines which are on top, and then I will give the wipe option. And right mouse click, I will do start with previous. You can see that the lines are going little bit outside the white box, so I'm going to put them inside. Little adjustments you will always have to do while making these buttons. Then I will choose the bottom lines holding the control button on the keyboard, and then go to add animation and wipe again, but this time I'm going to go to effect option and do it from top. And again we will do a right mouse click in the animation pane and start with previous. Then I'm going to choose the first line next to the S, add animation, white, but this time effect option and from right. And similarly, I'm going to choose the one which is next to D, white, and this time it will be from left. So both I will select holding the control button and start with previous. And then I will go to the bell icon, add animation. Under emphasis, I will use the theta option, and this will also be start with previous. I will change the timing little, so I will make it 1 second fast and repeat it 2 times. So we will just play the entire thing once. So this is how our like button looks like. So now we will convert it into the MPEG-4 format, but before that I will delete the previous slides. Go to File, Save As, Browse. And then go whatever name you want, you can give. You can give whatever name you want. I'll name it Presentation 2. And then Save As type will be MPEG-4. And then save. You can see it is saving over here. So later on you can go to your desktop and see. So we will come to an end of the video. If you like this, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video, and bye for now. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming video.